Still troubled by the many issues of traditional laser cutting? The Glorystar eco-friendly high-speed laser cutting machine GS3015CE 6 to 12 kilowatt is here to solve your problems. Today, let us witness the unique charm of this Glorystar eco-friendly high-speed laser cutting machine GS3015CE. It features a world-class fume and dust extraction system with high negative pressure zoning, ensuring truly smokeless cutting. Effectively prevents occupational diseases and reduces the risk of dust explosions or fires, while protecting core components from contamination. Fully eliminates problems such as smoke pollution, environmental hazards, and fire risk caused by traditional laser cutting. Offers you clean and safe workspace. In today's market, high electricity and labor costs remain a heavy burden on business operations. The Glorystar laser cutting machine is designed by energy efficiency at its core. It completes cutting tasks in just 3 hours that other machines require 6 to 12 hours to finish. This significantly reduces your electricity expenses, while maximizing productivity within a shorter operating time, saving you real money and greatly improving your overall efficiency.